Today we will be taking a video of Jack's new toy. Yeah. What's it called? An AR?
RC car, and it's called the Lightning EX Pro.
Took the fastest little toy car ever.
I think it goes like 70 miles per hour.
No joke, it does. Oh, frick, I lost my Sour Patch Kid. It can't drive on grass. Oh, shit. You scared me. Oh, sharp. There we go. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I don't know if we got that on camera. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it just did like 3 billion plus.
You need 3? I'm going to drive into the iPad.
No, you better not. Seriously, it's already fast. I'm gonna back off.
I ran into it.
Did you really? Yeah.
Well, not quick.
Okay, let's see if it can race a human.
Alright.
Okay.
You can get about a 100-second start.
Okay, here we go. Jeez. Let me just. I'm fast.
Yeah, alright. 3, 2, 1, go. No, I went off track! Come back here! I went off track! Whoops.
These things.
Alright, ready?
Like 70 miles per hour is the speed.
It's the top speed, but you have to be like insane. Like you have to be
in like
best
flat.
driver. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Dang it! My car can't do that! It can't go in a straight line. It's a drift car. Oh, get it?
I'm not getting it. What? I get no shoes on. Probably like worms and. I'm not a big fan of worms. Those spiders. Okay.
Redo.
No, I'm not doing another race.
What?
I'm not doing another race.
One more.
See if I can I use the electric speed?
Sure. Perfectly lined up with this. Boom. Alright. Your back wheel has to be basically lined like tucking. I hope no license plates were shown in this video. What? I hope no license plates were shown in this video.
I can't even see it from here. It like ranges up to like 20 feet. That's all.
You can stand where the iPad is. I don't care. My car will beat you. If it was in like an airport, oh, it's so huge. Maybe I should literally just hold it down. Just hold it down.
Yes,
But, hold on.
yeah, but it probably gets crushed by a car. Here, I'm gonna do a practice.
Here, let me put it over here.
Practice.
god, my car's gonna beat you. My car is so gonna beat you. 100% it's gonna beat you, dude.
No lie. Should we do it back to back to the iPad next to it?
Yeah.
Hey, you better not run over it, though.
If I just hold it down all the way to the back of it, it'll work. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I pressed the wrong way!
I still won!
No, didn't.
Yes, I did!
Get past the sidewalk.
You had to pass that sidewalk?
Oh, okay, fine then. It was your fault. It wasn't mine.
I know.
He's gonna win. Fact, and it's true. He's gonna win. Do you want me to?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.